So the fridge has been on overnight. It's just after 3 AM. It's been on for about 13 hours now, down to 3 bars on the 36-hour lithium battery pack. Just about to head out to Morgan Park at Warwick, so it's about 2.5 hour drive out there. Hopefully the battery pack will come back up to full by the time I get there, and I'll check on it a couple of times during the day as well. Let's get to it. Right, so we've just driven the 2.5 hours up to Morgan Park. The battery pack is 3 lights and 1 flashing, so I dare say it's come up a little bit. Probably not as much as I would have hoped, but it is charging. We'll see how it survives the rest of the day and where it's at when we get back home. Right, just got back from the day out. The 36 amp hour lithium battery pack still got 3 solid lights and 1 flashing, so it hasn't really lost any power, but it hasn't gained any either. I've only really been driving for maybe 5 hours, so if it maintains that, then that's pretty much what I need. I know it's pretty crude using lights to figure out if it's charged or not, but that's pretty much all we got. I'm not going to buy all the other fancy tools and whatnot to be able to actually check how much draw or current draw and that sort of thing that it's making, but I'll put a link to this cable in the comments below, and if you want to grab one of these, I think it's obviously going to depend on how much current your SIG socket can handle. I dare say it's putting in maximum current draw from the power that's available, but yeah, again, if you've got a better solution to this, I am hoping that this is pretty much an all-in-one DC-DC battery pack type thing, without having to then run a separate system with a full-on dual battery system in the F-150. I'm trying to avoid that, so I think this is going to do it for me. We'll see how we go on the Cape with continuous use day in, day out. I might have to figure out a way where I potentially run the fridge directly on the SIG socket during the day and charge the battery pack somewhere else, and then swap it over for nighttime use or something like that. I think I might get away with it that way if need be as well. So there's definitely a second option, but if I can just leave it set up, that's my preferred option. But yeah, if you've got a solution for this or think of a better way to make it work more efficiently, let me know in the comments below. Cheers.